Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So these are the materials I'm using for the project today. Fold the fabric in half, take the measurement for your sleeve and cut it down. So there you have your sleeves. So now for the body space, fold the fabric, take your measurement, mark it, cut it down. There you have all the parts now. Bring the slit to the center since we want an open center front. Make the cutting as symmetrical as possible. Time to attach the elastics now. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're actually going to place the raw end of the fabric between the elastic and the fabric, because that's gonna prevent the raw ends fraying further. By the way, sewing elastic I always use a zigzag stitch. Now remove the top part of the center front because we want a deep neckline. Yes. After try on, my bodice was kind of too big for me. I have to resize it. You guys, before cutting your fabric, take your measurement, cut it down, which I didn't do it the first place, okay? Learn from your mistake. Make 2 large slices of pizza and attach to the center front. Now it's time to attach all the pieces. So finally you want to make a hole so the band can actually pass through it. Take the end of the long strap, pass it through the hole and just tie it down. Or you may actually wrap it all around your waist and then tie it. It's done. So that's all for the tutorial, and if there is any doubts, leave in the comment section below. So see you guys in the next tutorial video. Till then, keep loving me,
keep supporting me, keep subscribing to my channel or share if you enjoy.
If you think my tutorial was cool. Okay, bye.